Hello guys, this is Marius Stanescu and welcome to my third day of challenge with the 5ers. I'm just trying to see what's happening with the transmission, with the streaming, happening with the okay, yeah, I cannot change this now from what I see because I still have like day one challenge on on the this photo with the video. Anyway, that's not my best, but I'm learning on how to stream correctly. Anyway, let's see what happened yesterday. We just do a short recap because I'm a little late in the market, like half an hour before the opening of New York market. So yesterday I had two winning trades, one on Nasdaq and one on FTSE. This is the wait. Yeah, I had a short here. Unfortunately, I closed this manually and I'm not very happy with that one, but let's say I was a little bit um, scared, should I say, or I don't know. I had this performance pressure on me because I didn't want to have losing trades. I don't know why, but I had this from the beginning of the challenge. I said that this might happen to me and I need to pay attention to it. But anyway, I had two risk to reward for this trade. The take profit would have been around here, and then I closed it to one risk to reward, I think. Anyway, I had some money and that's it. Not even one, half risk to reward, if I can see here correctly, just $12. Um, but it's a winning trade. It's not a correct trade. The entry was correct, but the way I exit the trade was a little bit with feelings, sentiments, and fear, if that's the correct one to say. And then I had this one was two times risk to reward. And where is the trade? Why I don't see it? It's here. Yeah, I had this short here. It was late and I was lucky with it because I was planning to go short about this level, but I entered late due to some technical problems. It's my fault, but anyway, I was very lucky with this short here. So let's see what scenarios and what we can expect from the market today. We can see that the prices move above my scenarios, like everything that I was expecting. It did happen, like um, buy above this level, sell under this level. I had the opportunity, but anyway, doesn't matter. I was saying yesterday that the price might do this and break preview high point. Let's say this is DAX. Yes, sorry, I didn't mention that before. Let's make a bigger perspective again. What can happen now? Of course, the price can go like here, like it did here. It can go for a lot of pips. So if I will try to catch a pullback here, even though the normal zigzag flow of a market is something like this, if I will try to catch a pullback, I might be wrong. So yeah, if I will do that, probably I will take like Fibonacci 127. Let me show you here extension, which is 1, 2, and 3. So yeah, I draw correctly how I draw, but I'm not sure that I want to do that. I will just draw some fake prediction levels here, one here and one here. I think these are all-time highs, so I should not expect. Yeah, this is an all-time high actually. Yes, there is no past history, so let's see what we can get out of this. I'm going to delete this um, Fibonacci. I'm going to delete this arrow because it's very confusing, and I'm just going to leave this one. So as it looks now, the price might just continue rising. We have no information on any type of levels, so probably I'm just going to forget this one. But now I can see here an area where I would like to go long, and if I will get this type of move, then I will go long there, even though the price might go under this before going back to, I mean, the retracement from this move, we don't know how big it will be, if it will happen and when it will happen, but we have multiple scenarios that it can happen. So let's see what we can see from other charts. If you look at Renko, the same DAX. If you look at Renko, yeah, we are bullish, so we should only look for green. We only have green bars. We should only look for buy trades. Again, this looks very nice for buying trades. So even though everything shows bullish, how can we trade now with no compass, no not so many information? So let's see what we get on lower time frame. On lower time frame, we get this, and then we get this resistance here, that support, and the resistance there. So from how it looks now, I can see that the price has tested this, oh sorry, this level multiple times. This one time, uh, one time, and then again here. So if the price will break, then I can try a long trade. I can try a buy trade here, even though it's a little bit not this one, this one. It's a little bit too aggressive, and this is like a trade. If I don't have nothing to trade, then I will trade this one like that. So let's put this, where is the trade long position? Yeah, even though what other scenarios can happen here is that where I will put the stop loss, if this will happen, this will be short, because if the price will go back, then probably will just consolidate in this area like this. So if the price will create that false, no, let's say like this, and then we get this break. If the price will break above this resistance line, then I can have a false break here. So yeah, at this moment we are I'm just inventing some type of trades which I'm not very happy with them, but yeah, this is why DAX is not my favorite for today. By the way, it's not necessary that I should trade anything for the sake of trading today. Let's go with SP and see what we get on SP. SP looks better actually. I can already see that on 4-hour chart we get some type of pullback, and yeah, it's very crowded here and difficult to understand from all of these lines, but the price broke above moving average, so the buy opportunities might come here, or they might actually test touch, sorry, the moving average somewhere here. So it can also go like this and then touch again for the uh, moving average in this area, and then to higher highs. Of course, we are in an uptrend. This is the logical scenario, but it can also fall down to this level and then up to this level. So I'm sorry if all these lines doesn't make sense to you. I'm just going to try and delete some of them, but I just need to change on 1-hour chart and see what I can delete. So what I will do, I will just adjust the lines to the most previous highs, so we points. So one is here and one is here. Yes, and then I have one here, Just try to eliminate a little bit from the market noise. And what do I have here? Can I consider this some type of, if you want, yes, if you don't want, no. But I will put this one here and one here. Let's see. So I will put one. It doesn't need to be perfect. I just want some type of um, perspective or guidance, let's say. And I will just put it with some like a dash line because I don't put that much importance to them. And what I will do is that I will draw again some rectangles. One is here because this will be bearish. That's an area where probably I will sell. And then I have again this uh, area here, which is a sell area now, but it might turn to a red one. Sorry, a red area now. I'm always adapting my support and resistance line based on most preview activity, like most preview highs and lows. So I'm not going to keep these lines like until the next year. It makes sense. Okay, and then should go and mark this also here, and probably I will sell also here. I'm not sure now. Okay, so my best scenario now, not unfortunately, that was a bad word, but I can also sell at this point here. We have a touch, double touch on this, and the price didn't have power, and the price might go lower uh, with the open. I'm not sure. Let's see what will happen before the London opening, and again, not on London, sorry, New York open. Okay, let's see SP what we have. So we have green bricks. We are bullish on SP now on 4 hours, and then if we are going to move to the 1 hour, again green bars. So green bricks bars is the same. So on 5 minutes chart on SP, um, what do we see? I think I need to find some informations from the higher time frame, but it looks like the price broke under this. Yeah, sorry, let's make it like this. It was too strange, too funny. This looks like a very nice area here. So it looks like an area that was broken, and now it looks like a nice level to sell, to enter um, long trades. But then again, I have, so it's a little bit of confusion because the market moved very nicely last days. So it's a little bit undecisive or undecisive. I don't know what's the correct word in English. And then again here, yeah, it's very, 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 very choppy. And then we have this area here, and then it will be like another area here. I'm not going to, or maybe yes. Let's see what the price is going to do next. But it's all like selling areas that I have now marked with red, because unless the price breaks above this, I don't want to be a buyer. Maybe I can anticipate something. Let's just see again what I can see here. Like if the price is going to go here, it will be the perfect buy, but it will be a little bit late. If I will enter there, then probably my stop loss should be, yes, exactly under this, like this, and the preview lows, and then that will be like how much, where is this? Uh, that's around 1000 pips. Yeah, it's fine. For SP it's fine, 1000 pips, so it's not so bad if I can enter a trade like that actually. I can also say that this is a false break and I can enter a little bit early, which will be here. But then I will have this resistance, and yeah, I will take a risk if I will do that, but let's see. So that will be a scenario, and then again a sell scenario will be very nice if the price will fail to break to this level, will come back the second time, something like this. That will be a very nice short scenario. I will leave this arrow like that on 1 hour, but um, as for now, all the signs are for long trades. So my best scenario, it's a long trade. I'm going to delete this one actually, because I just want to start buying here. I just sell trades or buy trades. I don't know. I'm very tired today, but my best scenarios are long trades. So that will be one at this 6,078 or one at 6,070. Okay, let's see what more do we get. It's very quiet before the opening. We have Nasdaq with a similar uh, move, let's say with similar price action like SP 500. So what should we do? We don't open sell trades simultaneously both on SP or Nasdaq or UK and DAX. It's better to have them one of the time, because otherwise it's like leveraging your position, and I don't want to do that. Let's see what do we see. So it's clear that on Renko we see green bricks, which means we need to find buy trades, same like SP. And then on long time, higher time frame with another type of perspective, I like this so much. I like this better than DAX, because we have this down consolidation compared with DAX, or with SP actually. With SP was down and then we broke above, and then it's like in an uptrend already the price. So yeah, but when I look at uh, DAX, yeah, what is this? Is Nasdaq? Sorry. When I look at Nasdaq, I can expect this what I was speaking yesterday about, at a break above this and above the trend line, and keep targeting higher prices, higher. There will be like all-time highs actually above this 22,100. So here, the best scenarios. I just want to take some lines here and see, just so that I have compare with the preview levels. I think, yeah, they kind of hold like something. So the price might go to this area and have some type of resistance to this area. Okay, so again, if I want to enter some type of trades, there was very choppy the levels that I can get um, from this. They are very choppy, and I don't know why I have this level. I don't like this area actually. Let me see again what I can find here. So this one, yes, this one is a level. This one it's a level here. Yeah, so I'm going to delete this area, and what I'm going to do now is that I will try to find some type of entry levels. And again, this is here, so yeah, I really don't like how choppy was this market, but and this is 1 hour chart, so it's like very confusing for 1 hour. It would have been much better for 5 minutes, but for 1 hour this is very choppy. Anyway, I cannot find in 1 hour some levels that I would like to enter long, but maybe I can find of 5 minutes. Let's see what can I find on 5 minutes. I know my way of finding levels is very strange, but that's not the point, because okay, so I remember something. I need to show you, like with every lesson that I have, I need to explain you some type of educational content. So why yesterday I showed you the lines, but now I'm going to explain you why. um, doesn't matter exactly where you are entering your trade or how you see your trade, because that's very simple. So again, this is educational content. um, I don't know, let's say that you see some type of pattern, like any pattern. uh, I'm just going to draw, like for the sake of the example, let's say that here was like a double top, yes, and then you would have enter short here. Okay, this would have been a very nice pattern, and then you would have enter short. Where is the trade? Here, yes. So yay, you have a winning trade here, which is very nice, yes. But in order for you to be able to sell at this level, somebody else was doing another type of analysis, and they have concluded that this will be like a false break here. I'm just uh, saying for the sake of the example, yes. So somebody else, while you were doing this analysis and you wanted to trade this double top, somebody else said that no, it's going to happen a false break, and then I want to go along here. So my point is that behind every trade there is another trader or another. So every time you have your own analysis and you want to sell, like in this example, somebody else needs to be willing to to buy from you, because you sold here at this level. So where I can find some arrows. So you have sold here, yes, because due to your trading analysis, you said that okay, I'm going to short the market here. But again, in the same time, somebody is doing another type of analysis on the other side of you with the opposite scenario, which is going to buy from you. Every time you have a seller, there is a buyer, or every time there is somebody willing to buy, there is somebody willing to sell. There is a zero-sum game. You can do some research on Google, and I don't know, whatever you can read on um, some websites, and this is very important to know that you are never right or wrong with the market. It's like nothing. Doesn't matter what you think about the market. The market is just going to do itself, because uh, who is going to be right at any point in the market? You that want to sell, if you are opening a sell trade, or the guy that is buying from you. So yeah, this is why I'm not so focused. Like, let's say that for me the strategy, it's like, I don't know, maybe 40%, maybe 30% is the strategy, and then let's make it 30% strategy, and then I will put uh, actually no, I'll put 20% strategy. For me, strategy is the last one. I will put 20% strategy because you need to have some type of knowledge, and then I will put uh, another 30% for, or maybe more, 40% double for the money management. That's most important for me. Management is more important than the strategy. That at any time I will argue with anyone. Money management is more important than strategy. And then it's all mindset. The rest is mindset. So um, But I will connect money management with mindset because they go hand in hand. Like if you trust your money management and your strategy. Yeah, okay, so the market it's all on now. We have this New York has market has started now. Enough with the educational material. I don't know if I had enough time to make all this analysis. I think I skipped FTSE 100, but yeah, where was I? I was on 5 minutes. So yeah, actually this, what's with all this line here? That was a good pattern that I have identified here just for the sake of the example, because the price is falling down, then is retesting this level, and it's falling down from this one. So where it was here. So yeah, that was a nice short trade here if you would have spot this before. I'm not going to do anything now. I'm just going to continue with my analysis because maybe the market needs like 10-15 minutes before it will calm down. uh, let's move to UK 100 and see what we are finding here. So on Renko, yeah, we get green. We had a red brick yesterday. Now we have green one informing. So again, bullish on this one's also 1 hour time frame. So at the end, I'm just bullish on like most of the instruments, but uh, yeah, again, very busy. This very crowdy. I can just delete everything and start making new ones, new lines. Because anyway, this is what I'm doing. I don't want to, don't like to have old drawings because the market are changing. So if you are going to draw some lines now, you are not going to trade them next month. Yes, and I always like to make like an update with every day. Just going to see what I can see like this very fast on 4 hour. We are just, yeah, nothing concludent. We had these spikes here at this level and the price went on. So the best scenario will be that um, the price will break above this and then we are going to be buyers at one point. But up until there, we can just see some type of resistance here and we don't know what the price will do. So let's move to lower time frame. Now I'm just, you cannot be a buyer now because you are buying in the resistance. So even though it might looks nice, I don't want to be a buyer in a resistance. I just want to be a seller. I will be a seller if the price, a buyer, sorry, if the price breaks above this resistance. I will just highlight it a little bit more. So if the price will break above this, I will be a buyer. If not, I will just be a seller. So 1 hour, it looks very nice. On 1 hour, it's like, yeah, actually this drawing the yellow line, it's looking how we should be in order to be to search for long trades. So yeah, and I'm not going to sell now, even though the price has tested one time, two time, third time. Now I'm not going to sell because we eventually need, the price needs to move to higher highs, higher prices than the day before. So let's see. Mm, I have one uh, person watching me live right now. Thank you so much for watching. I'm waving my hand to you even though you cannot see me. Maybe next month I will put some type of camera. Okay, you left. Oh, why you left? So let's see if this will be acting like some false breaks. This one, this very aggressive. Oh, I like what I see on 5 minutes. Um, Yeah, this actually is a very important level, and but I'm just going to find the most preview ones, which is like that. So 1, 2, 3. If I'm going to lower the zigzag indicator, I'm just going to make it a little bit lower. For lower time frames, you just need to have it lower. I think this is not enough. Let's make it 8. Yes. And now you can see some patterns. This is a bullish pattern, and the price is breaking above and is coming back to retest. So how nice is that? It might be a false break because we are close to this level here. So yeah, this might be a false break, but considering that the price was tested yesterday here, today it might actually break above it. So I don't know now. Let's wait and see. And here I was speaking about the price breaking above this, acting like a possible false breakout. We are not sure now, but up until then we might buy here, and then just going to delete this. I might be a buyer here on DAX, or not. I can try to be a seller if the price is coming back to this one. Okay, Nasdaq is doing what? It's doing this one. Yeah, it's very crazy. Which level you should you choose? Should you choose that level, this level? Yeah. We don't know, and I will not enter short, or I will not enter a trade here now. I don't like how this looks. So again, Nasdaq is going down and SP is going down. But you FTSE and DAX, they are going up. So if I get FTSE going up, but we don't know if it's a false breakout or not. So let's wait a little bit and see what the prices have, how the price will act. On this, I will wait for the price to go something like that. So nothing here, no trade, no trade in the middle of nowhere. Yes, if you have courage, you can go short here, but where will it be your take profit? I don't know. You can have it here, you can have it here, but I don't want to enter any type of trade here now. I don't like it. I could have entered short here on this retest, but now it's a little bit too late. Here I could have entered short, but I don't like it anyway. No, we are not buying there. Here maybe we are buying. So actually on 1 minute chart, it looks very nice. 5 minutes. Yeah, we are still bullish here. Look, where is the moving average? I was expecting that the price will go close to the moving average, but uh, if I'm entering now, I don't have the possibility to put a nice stop loss, so I'm not going to enter now. If I lost the entry, then I lost it and that's it. So UK is going down, third time. No, second time actually, it was yesterday. Yeah, it might go for higher targets today, but again, if it's touching here and if it's not breaking, then yeah, nothing clear. I might not open trades. Okay, the price is going crazy down on Nasdaq and SP and FTSE. They don't react. Yeah. Should you trust your gut? Yes, you should trust your gut. I trust my gut. I think everything is a gut. All the analysis that you are doing is based on gut, because you just do your perspective, and the way your perspective and the way that your brain is working is that you will see what you want to see. So at the end, it is your gut that it's doing all the decisions unconsciously. So we all see what we want to see in the market, or what we need to see when we need to see. If you want to go short, you are going to look for the scenarios for a short trade. This is why I'm never going to be to only to one side of the trade, like only buy or only sell. Just going to be double biased, because the brain can act against us. Like if you want to see one of the trades, then you are going to see one of the trades. So just be neutral, let's say. Now I would like to be a buyer here, but it's too late now. Very nice. This DAX, the price is, we have this candlestick on 1 hour. You see, this is a bullish candlestick, and the price is moving so aggressively to the upside. But I just want to have some type of pullback before entering a buy trade. And the thing is that the pullback can go all the way. Where are you now? Here. The pullback can go all the way to this price. Why? Because if you are a buyer, then you want to buy at the best price. You don't want to buy high. FTSE again, Nasdaq again, SP again. It didn't move at all. Not to the upside, not to the downside. Just going to delete this one. Nasdaq is going down. But SP is going up. So I would like to be a buyer here, like that. I will enter the trade here. I'm not going to short now. It might be a good, where you are, where are you here? It makes sense to have some type of correction. Let's say that the price should go a little bit down, like this price here. So it might fall down a little bit more, but I would rather be a buyer at this level than a seller now. I don't know. This is what I'm thinking. Why? Because I have green bricks and I only trade with the bricks. So if I have green bricks, then I'm only going to trade with the bricks. That's very simple. Now we are getting red bricks on 1 hour. Yeah, so I moved this one by mistake. So how does this look on higher time frame? Yes, it looks like the price might go down a little bit. It's normal, or it might go up. So it's very, I would rather be a buyer here also for this and here. So maybe I'm not going to open any trade today. FTSE is going up. DAX is going up. Yes, I'm opening DAX now. DAX. Where are you, DAX? Again, I'm going late in the trade. Okay. Is it? Yeah. So I have opened 2 times risk reward on DAX. Let's see what will happen. The reason that I did that is that I'm seeing this aggressive green bars, and then when I'm moving to this, and then if I'm looking at Renko is green. If I'm looking at 1 hour chart, price might go to higher highs, which we don't know where they are, but we had this retest here. It was like not a perfect pullback here, but it was like a pullback here to this level. You see, I would have liked to see a different type of pullback. Maybe I was a little bit in a hurry. Like this, it would have been better, but it's fine like this. Let's see what will happen with the trade now. Maybe because this is a new high area, we don't know where the prices are going to stop. Yeah, let's see if we are getting our first. I open with $10 this trade. Yeah, again another mistake, but I'm just in the beginning of the challenge and in the beginning of new experience for me with this live streaming, so let's see what will happen. I'm learning. I'm learning how to stream and trade in the same time. But the touch here was very nice. But why is not the same like if I change on 1 hour? Yeah, it's fine, it's fine. So we got FTSE breaking to that level, and you see that I'm always saying that where is the real level? You never know, but we have this break through this level. It's quite aggressively on 5 minutes. Now, if the price will come back to this level, then probably it will be a good opportunity to enter long. Nasdaq, that's the level I would have entered long here, but I could try long because I have only opened $10 on that trade, so I can try some aggressive entry on Nasdaq here. That doesn't make sense to go aggressively here, to be honest. Better trade will be here. There's no point on going aggressively, to be honest. So let's wait for the price to go above that, and we can go long there. So catching lows is not my my plan to catch reversals, let's say. I would rather wait for the price to reverse and then get some type of pullback and then entry. Like here, you know, here I have entered a little bit too late, like too late. I don't know why. I was not paying attention. But the best trade, yeah, you can see it also would have been here. That would have saved me for a lot of points, pips, points, whatever. Yeah, so I'm going to open another trade because I just opened that one with $10, and that's not going to be FTSE, it will be one of these, Nasdaq or SP. By the way, if you are moving to 1 minute, not 1 minute, 5 minutes is fine. You can see some type of double bottom here. A lot of spikes in this area. You can see to both to the buyers and the sellers. So yeah, something is very strange here. Just going to keep the screen a little bit more clean. Again, spikes. Just make this to 25%. from now on I'm going to work with 25%. I think it's better because they kill my eyes, these colors. So all these arrows and all these lines and arrows and so on, these are like a map that I'm drawing. A map that will guide me to my entry. So yeah, I know that for you might look very bad for the eyes, but for me these are fine. You need to get your brain used with the type of map, let's say, that you want to see and you can see it. These colors that I'm using might not be good for you, and that doesn't mean it's wrong, because I can see there are many people putting some all type of vibrant colors, or but doesn't matter if it looks nice or bad or crowded. Matter that what it matters the most is that it's working for you. I don't like this area. Wow, DAX is doing so. The market is sitting like, I wonder if I missed some type of news. Have I missed some type of news? Just going to search. No. No. There are news on Canadian dollar, but not some type of news that will dramatically shake the US stock market. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Go, go, go. Ah, this one, it went very nice, FTSE today. Very, very nice. I'm wondering if I could have enter. Nah, no, it's fine. It's fine, I didn't enter. The price, if the price is going to retest, it might retest two levels, this one or this one here. So yeah, it's fine. I don't know if I will get a chance today to enter a trade, but maybe I will get on Nasdaq or SP. I'm going to eat a banana now. And maybe I will mute the mic, but I need some energy. Okay, I'm back from eating the banana. So let's make a scenario. I have entered a little bit late to this trade and I'm not happy with that. We will make the scenario here. So what will happen if my stop loss will be hit? Will I enter short here? That will be an option. Will I enter buy again here? No, I don't think so. Let's look again on SP and see what is happening here on SP, on DAX, on TradingView, sorry. So yeah, I feel so bad about this entry that I didn't enter here. I don't know why I didn't enter here, to be honest, because I saw this aggressive bearish candle. Just wanted to take a little bit more time, but I should have just entered here. Anyway, what was done was done. Uh, if I will get stop out, sorry, from this trade, uh, it might not be actually a bad decision to go long again here because it's part of this movement, you know. But that means that I will enter two times at the same level in the same direction, and I don't like that. I don't like to chase a trade. So it's not a bad thing to enter long here, but it's like you're chasing the trades, and I don't like that. Market is moving. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, interesting. And DAX is moving. Nice. Now you see why I don't like that I have entered late, because if I would have entered here, then I would have been closer to a close trading profit. Now I'm way like, oh sorry, 200 points, something like this, late in the trade. So 200 points, they might be critical. And anyway, the quotation, it's very strange. The quotations are super super. hmm. Sorry, I'm looking at this because the quotation on the DAX that I have on TradingView is not the same like this one. So another thing that I have learned is that maybe I need to search an instrument from a broker that or data provider, sorry, not from a broker, from a data provider that also The5ers is using. Okay, yeah, I haven't thought about that before. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Actually, I'm going to do that now. Before, let me, oh, that spike, that's a lot of selling pressure from that level. And FTSE is going up. Go, my friend, go. were as much as you can, because I didn't enter long with FTSE. I enter with DAX. But DAX should follow at one point, and it's doing that. I just want to find, maybe I should ask, I should send an email or ask with the chat in the The5ers, because I need to have the same data provider. So let's see DAX, it's actually indices, sorry. I can just try to find myself some, I think this is what I'm having now, yes. And I don't know what to choose. Let's choose FXCM and IC markets and see what quotations we are getting. My point is that, let me make this smaller. I need to have the same uh, price action on my executing chart, like on the fibers, the same with the chart that I'm doing my analysis. And you can see that this week here, it's above this preview high here, while on this one it's touching this one. You see, it's touching here. So yeah, I don't like it's I enter late in the trade. What I don't like here, I enter late and my take profit, it's in unknown area. It have not been tested before, and honestly I will make this trade, and I swear to you, it's not a trade that I'm doing because I'm influenced by emotions. I just entered late and I don't like that. I'll just put it to one time risk to reward, this one. Yeah, because I entered late. That is my justification, and because I'm entering to I'm targeting levels that they were not tested before. Anyway, let's move back to finding. Let's see how this one is doing. Not QQQ. This one. Oh yeah, this one is touching, but it should not. It should not touch. No. We need to find one that is not touching. This one is touching also. So I can just waste some time on searching, or I can just write to I think I'm going to write them on chat. Okay, I had to close it. I had to close the mic for a while. So yeah, I should definitely write to the 5ers and ask them for the correct data provider so that I have the same quotations like them. It's not a big deal. It's just that you can get better entries, I think, I hope. At the end, price is just going to move in the same direction, so that should not be a big deal, but uh, it will make a big difference in your stop losses and your take profit. It can make a big difference because you can have a transaction that it will hit your stop loss on the 5ers or on the broker that you're executing the trade. Let's see what happens with the others. Yes, here we are going to have another buy opportunity. Here buy opportunity. Here we get a correction and enter long from here. We can go long from there. So yeah, I will enter. Where should I? Oh, okay. What's happening with the market is crashing now. Let's wait a little before entering any other long trade. This might be a big, very important opportunity, but I don't like the fact that SP and Nasdaq is going so aggressively down. Just going to try to make ready the FTSE because it's at my level here. And then where is FTSE? It's here. And then 1500 might be enough, or let's, oh, what I did. Yes, this was a good time to buy again, probably. Let me look again at what the market is doing here. It's retesting and it might go by $10 so that I don't leverage too much. Okay, we are again long, so because I have $10 here and then I have $10 for the other one, then it's like I have one risk to reward trade. So this might be just another so why the price will do that is because buyers are looking for a better price to buy again. So this, if this candle will not close bearish, and then if we are going to have a bull candle, then we might go buy also here on these ones. But because we already have these two, then I'm not going to enter long again. I don't want to have like 5 trades open at the same time. 2 are enough. I'm going to move this one here. And then I'm going to say that if this will happen, then you might enter long. Then I'm going to delete this one because actually what's important is this, like this. I like to adjust to what market is doing. I'm not going to stick with the past history like 1 year from now. Okay, it's 4:15. Yeah, this cannot go like up forever. Forever we have this break before. So one, two, and then it went down. And then we have here again, and then it went down. And then we have this here, and then it went down. Now again here, and it might go down, but up until where? Probably to this area here. In search for better prices for buyers. So if somebody wants to buy, then that would be a good price to buy. I think I'm going to get stop loss on both of the trades. Should I enter short here? No, because there is not enough space. There's no point. And actually this might do two things. Yeah, let me delete from these arrows and make new designs, or new drawings, sorry. So that's very nice here, that it can go like that, or it can go like that and then up. Let's see. So I think I already got stop out on this one. FTSE, not yet. Yeah, interesting this level. I would like to have these streamings for 1 hour, but I don't see how I can have that since my trades are going to be open for more than 1 hour. So probably I should think again about that. If I'm opening some trades, then I should just uh, leave them like this and speak about them and what happened the next day. Yeah, I don't think it's it's worth it to keep the streaming for 2 hours because it's getting very boring. And uh, yeah, but anyway, now for those that are just enter the streaming, I have two trades open with half of my usual volume. That was just a mistake because the first one I opened it by mistake with half of the volume, which was this DAX and which was very late. I should have opened here at this level, but I entered it a bit too late in the trade. And now I have a 1 time risk reward for DAX, and for FTSE I have a 2 times risk reward at this level, which again I'm not happy with my entry here because the best entry should have been here. So let me double check and see what is happening with SP and Nasdaq. Yeah, this level it's very undecisive. I don't know. I'm missing the word in English, but this level, the buyers, the sellers are showing weakness here, and yeah, here again was another level with that was like not even nor the sellers nor the buyers, they didn't have power to push the price in either direction. And now again something similar is happening here. So I'm still going to get my best trade. It will be a buy trade above this level, probably something like this. And for SP, if the price is going to break to these levels here, then that will be the best trade. I'm not going to short unless the price is going to go under this level, and then I will be able to be a seller. But even so, I don't like sell trades because Renko is not red yet, it's green, so I'm still going to go um, with buy trades, long trades. And there is a lot of pressure, a lot of accumulation to these levels, both on SP and both on Nasdaq. So a lot of accumulation for buy. Like people, not people, institutions like buyers are buying, and accumulating to their long positions. But again, if that will be, yeah, this would have been the best perfect entry for. I don't know why I had this level from the past, to be honest, but this would have been the best entry for long. I'm already long here, but yeah, I was late to this trade. There is no point for this one. Yeah, I'm optimistic with my trades. I could have add to this position here. Why I didn't add? Doesn't matter. I will just leave the trades like they are now and come back tomorrow with the results. Thank you so much, my 6 spectators that they were watching me live, and see you guys tomorrow.